Hi, I'm Maverick and welcome again to another episode of From Our Kitchen to Yours, but this is a special edition where we're making cocktails. We're here in the Build.com studio and this is in the living room set, and we're gonna be taking advantage of this great wet bar and we're gonna make a couple of classic cocktails. First, we're gonna make a Hemingway Daiquiri, which is a traditional Cuban drink. And then we're gonna be doing a Negroni, which is a traditional Italian cocktail that's refreshingly bitter. These drinks aren't gonna make themselves, so let's get over to this wet bar and start shaking. Today we're gonna be making a Hemingway Daiquiri. We're gonna be using Puerto Rican rum, some maraschino liqueur, just a little bit of honey and grapefruit juice and some lime juice. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna juice some citrus. And so this is only gonna use about 3/4 of an ounce of grapefruit juice, some Puerto Rican rum. We're gonna grab our shaker. And so this recipe calls for 2 ounces of rum, 1/4 ounce of maraschino liqueur. This stuff goes pretty far. It's pretty strong in flavor and it's pretty sweet. And I'm gonna take about a teaspoon of honey. And it takes the juice of about 1 whole lime. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add ice. I'm gonna take one of my little key limes, take my cocktail strainer, and there you go. You got a Hemingway Daiquiri. Next we're gonna go into a Negroni, which is a classic Italian cocktail. So for the Negroni, we're gonna use equal parts gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. We're doing 1.5 ounces each. Put a little bit of ice. And we're gonna garnish with an orange twist. And there it is. We've got a classic Hemingway cocktail and a Negroni. So whether you're looking for a bitter or a sweet drink, you can find a cocktail recipe by clicking the link below. And join us next time in our next set for another episode of From Our Kitchen to Yours. Thanks for watching.